Morning campers, we are leaving Bangkok, leaving the apartment, we're going to get some breakfast and then we're going to the airport and we're going to Chiang Mai. So we booked into a hotel up there, so we'll go and see what that has in store for us. What up? Right, it's what's breakfast.
Without Jake and Maria.
I'm gonna meet them there because they're going to be late.
Jacob, I don't know.
But
never mind.
and then up to Chiang Mai.
We've got all their bags, which means if they miss the flight, we can't get on it because we've got their bags. Can we?
Oh well, we'll see what happens. Made it to Chiang Mai, getting a taxi to the hotel. We're at the boutique house. It's pretty busy up here, but the taxis are really cheap, 150 baht, which is how much? 4 quid, something like that. So jump in here and we'll get going. Yeah, right, this is our taxi driver. What's your name?
My name is Bon. You can call me Bon Bon.
Bon Bon.
Yeah, I'm from Chiang Mai.
Oh, nice. What would you recommend things to do?
I recommend at here, right, for the culture city, and have a temple and the elephant.
Yeah, we're going to elephants tomorrow morning. Yeah,
tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're going to PAI.
All right.
And then back again. Yeah.
How long you stay here?
Just one night.
One night.
And then PAI tomorrow, and then fly to Krabi.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I forgot it was.
All in.
Are you okay?
Yeah, good. So your favourite food is?
Favorite food in Chiang Mai, we got khao soi.
Khao soi,
Yeah.
what is that?
Khao soi like Chiang Mai noodle, like a
Okay.
noodle and curry is big.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right, I'll try and remember that. I'll have that tonight for dinner. Thank you, mate.
Yeah,
Thank you,
nice
Bon
to
Bon.
meet
You too.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Room 207. Right, we've checked into the hotel and we're quite hungry, so we're gonna go find some food, have a little wander around, see the temple in the middle. We're gonna stay within the walls of the old town, I think, for now. And then we might hire some scooters out, go for a little drive around, explore a bit, and see some more of Chiang Mai. And there is a cool little viewpoint that me and Jake know about, so might go out there for sunset, maybe. Top of the mountain. So yeah. Sunset up there will be wicked. We'll give it a go. We got recommended this dinner, was it Khao So, and it looks banging. It's the local dish of Chiang Mai. Chicken and noodles, yeah, it looks really good. Dinner is done. Now we're off to get some scooters or some motorbikes, and then we're gonna go up to a viewpoint, see the lights of the city. And hopefully go to a temple. Oh, look at this, Mum. Look, they've put candles in the water, look.
Gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful though. Lovely. Floating candle.
Jake, you on the key? Whee! For rent 1,100. Here it is. This is the whip.
Yeah, this
All
one
together?
big one, this one big brake. Yeah, so
All together?
It's left brake, back brake, front brake.
Okay.
it's quite quick with the acceleration, so.
No, I understand. So you'll be my eye.
Go on then, Mum. This is rapid, boy. We'll park here, shall we, and have a little walk around? Right, we've scooted up the mountain a little bit. We've lost Jake and Maria because they decided to drive off.
We lost them about 45 minutes ago.
We found this little temple.
Because Jake, being Jake, did not keep looking over his shoulder.
It smells awesome. Burning incense. I think these people are giving offerings. There's eggs and things up there. Well, I think we're gonna go up the mountain a bit, try and find the viewpoint. Look down over the city. Back on the mopeds, and off we go. That's it. Cup of car. I mean, it's what a cup. Cross. What? Not closed.
Cross.
Oh, cross.
Accident.
We're just got to the viewpoint. Right, the road's closed for the night, so what should we do? Head back to the hotel, see if we can find Jake.
Yeah.
Right, you're gonna be right up that road with all them cars.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you.
Right, okay.
Just follow you.
Okie dokie, let's go.
I've got it here, Jimbo.
Come on, let's go.
So we found them.
We found them.
Go.
That's been odd, like complicated, but I've done absolutely
I think we're gonna get a beer now.
There's that much traffic over here.
Let's go. I found this bar, Anniversary Camping Cafe, and it is such a chill, beautiful place. All chilling out in the bean bags. Hey! This restaurant's beautiful, and they've also got a little stream inside the restaurant. Oh, look at all these fish. Enjoy your massage, and we're gonna go and have a drink. Let's go, Jacob boy. Shots up. Pretty successful getting pissed. We're bar's closed, and we've got to go find Mum and Maria. They're getting a massage, so hopefully they're nearly done, and then we can go back and sleep. Because in the morning we've got the elephant thing. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Hey!
Chiang Mai 2020 is pretty good. Walking back now, but just looking for some street food. Pretty hungry actually. Pretty hungry to be fair, but.
Oh, Sawasdee.
Oh, hello.
You want street food?
Yeah. I'll
We
say.
got street food. You want the grilled pork or grilled pork rib?
I'll go for the grilled pork, please.
Oh, I can give you grilled pork. Okay, let me mix this up for you. You want Salt Bay?
Yes, yeah. Oh,
I give
look
you
at
some,
that.
babe.
Oh, look
Okay,
at-
sir, here you go.
How much is that, man?
Oh, it's because it's you, it's free.
Ah,
Cup of
so
cup,
when it
cup of
comes,
cup,
cheers,
cup of
see you.
cup. It's 6:30 in the morning. We're up early. We're going to go to the elephant sanctuary. I'm just packing an overnight bag because we're going to PAI. We're not taking our big bags with us. Got about 3 or 4 hours sleep again. So hopefully I can sleep on the coach. But there we go.
Not in the mood for vloggers today.
Oh no way! Coming? Oh, just waiting for the taxi or the bus. It's quite early in there. There's a squirrel up there. If you can see it running along there. Elephant, yeah?
Yes, elephant. Hello, everybody.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah?
Welcome.
Hello. Thank you. We're on the walk down through the jungle. I've got the elephants ahead of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elephants. Got to cross the river. Oh, this is going to be awesome. I don't know if you can see the elephants over there, but I'll give you a close look when we get over there. Cup and cup.
You can see please. Oh, you're good. You're good. Thai language.
Thank you.
You can see please. So the later we use Thai talking, okay?
Oh, that's all I know.
Okay.
I like your top, man. I like your Thai t-shirt, mate. It's the elephant feeding t-shirt. Oi. That's just for me.
Chewy and speak out. Right. Thank you.
Bon bon. Bon bon. Oops. Bon bon. Bon bon. Bon bon. Bon bon.
Look at that little hay.
Bon bon.
Oh my god. Bon bon.
Okay. Okay, YouTuber là nè.
Then the expert YouTube.
YouTube.
Expert YouTube.
Nelly the elephant.
Maybe when the plants I might go in my film in my shop. Are you allowed to give them that? I thought it was just sugar.
Hello. Right, I've just got a bit of the sugar cane. Bloke's just cut it out for me, so we're gonna try it 'cause it's really, really sweet. So I'll break that bit off. That is delicious. That is sweet sugar cane.
Really nice. Have you put that gel on your lips today?
Right, now it's time to go in the mud bath.
Okay.
And wash the elephants.
Everyone, you had the blood ready. Come in right here, please. Come in, stay right here. Later, you go down to over there. You brought head, okay. Ear, okay. Body side, okay. Now, but we not do with elephant leg. No leg, okay?
Okay. One leg.
All body side, no leg and no belly, okay?
Everybody knows hold on, you say there, and after I do this one, you go to brush elephant. Okay. So, but now as I do, a little bit look at what I do. Everybody will look what I do.
Yeah, okay.
Right, off to the mud bath now. Gonna get wet. Is it cold, Jake?
Freezing. Oh, it's well cold.
Everyone, elephant behind you. Friendly place.
Elefante.
Elephant behind you. You go to water. Really quiet, no screaming, okay? And then you go down like this.
Good in.
Hey.
Jake. That was awesome, wasn't it? I think we've got to go and wash them off now in the river. Look, it's walking with elephants. So yeah, get in a cold river and we'll wash all the mud that we've just put on them. What a cool day. If you get the chance to do this, come and do this. This is awesome.
Okay, somebody go down there. Somebody over there, that side.
You see the way he does it?
Oh, look, he's lying down.
Myself, hit my cat. Let's try and get that puddle. Oh, look. Mom.
Oh, what an experience, what a day. We've got lunch now. Elephants are steaming themselves off. Oh. Now we finish this morning up with some nice Thai food, shall we? How's the food? Good, yeah?
Very nice.
Wicked. Second half of the day and we are riding to PAI. The maps say it's 2 hours 50 minutes, but we're going to stop along the way, so it'll be a bit longer. We're all going to scoot up there.
Scoot up there. Scoot up there.
You ready?
Sure.
Jake's gonna got himself a puncture before we've even made it out of Chiang Mai. So we need to get it fixed. Found a little motorbike shop. Jake's bike's getting fixed. This is our mechanic, he's fixed it. Nice one. Thank you. Only 200 baht to fix that, and we're on our way.
We're on it, right? Now, wait. Now it's recording.
Always come here like this.
Another Dankus meal. Right, that's it for today. If you like these videos, want to see more, please like, subscribe and push the bell. Tomorrow we are driving back to Chiang Mai and going to waterfalls and hot springs, so we'll see you then. We're on the bamboo bridge.